Hello, welcome everyone. Today we'll be dealing with this SAT mathematics question. And as you can see, the question goes, if f of x equals x plus 7 and g of x equals 7x, what is the value of 4f of 2 minus g of 2? Take that again. If f of x equals x plus 7 and g of x equals 7x, what is the value of 4f of 2 minus g of 2? All right, I haven't gotten this question now. Let's go into the solution. First of all, we must understand that this question involves linear function and substitution. Linear function and substitution. That's what the question involves, linear function and substitution. All right, so the function f of x equals x plus 7. That's what we got. That's for that function. So if f of x equals 7, if f of x equals x plus 7, then f of 2 will mean that wherever we see x, we impute 2. So here, x here now becomes 2 plus 7. And that will give us 9. So that's the value of f of 2. You have f of x equals x plus 7. So f of 2, meaning that x will be now 2, substituting x for 2, or 2 for x. And then that will be 2 plus 7, and that will give us 9. The second function we're given is g of x. And what we're giving g of x to be, g of x equals 7x. So therefore, g of 2 will be equal to 7 times 2. That's what it means, 7 times 2, and that will give us 14. All right, a recap of what we have done again. Like we said, it involves linear function and substitution. So the function is the f of x and the g of x. Those are the functions given. And then the substitution is f of 2, meaning that x becomes 2. G of 2, meaning that, x becomes 2 also. So both functions were given the value of x to be 2. That's what it means. So if f of x equals x plus 7, like we saw from the first, then f of 2 will mean that 2 now replaces x. And that will give us 2 plus 7, which will result into 9 as the value for f of 2. Then g of 2 will mean that 2 now replaces x. So if g of x equals 7x, then g of 2 will be 7 times 2. And that's what will give us 14. So I haven't gotten that. Let's now look for what we are asked to get. What we are asked to get is we should find the value of 4f of 2. All right, we're asked to find the value of 4f of 2 minus g of 2. So from what we have got, our f of 2 equals 9, while our g of 2 equals 14. So therefore, 4f of 2 minus g of 2, we'll have it this way. 4 times f of 2 is 9 minus g of 2 is 14. So I haven't done that. This will give us 4 times 9 will be 36 minus 14. And then finally, the answer becomes 36 minus 14 is 22. That's the final answer. God bless you for watching. Ensure that you subscribe and like. God bless you.